Sometime in the depths of your dimples, I find myself wanting to be stirred into a tenderness, like on a distant wind-swept evening. I see nothing but you, with all the hues the heavens have spilled across the sky. I wonder, do others know this truth? When I listen deeply to the sound of your voice, I feel as though I'm aboard a space shuttle, on a picnic to another planet. Darkness surrounds me. I see nothing but you, with all the hues the heavens have spilled across the sky. I wonder, do others know this truth? Before this breathtaking landscape of the universe that unfolds in my heart, all I can offer is reverence, my endless thanks to you. Quietly you offered your voice as a prayer, your heart as devotion, your strength as foundation. You